Hello, dear students. Welcome to Chemistry Fundamentals. I'm Dr. Rajiv Oberoi. Today we are dealing with the reaction of haloalkane with magnesium metal. That is the preparation of Grignard reagent. Reaction of haloalkane with magnesium metal, that is formation of Grignard reagent. So we will be dealing with the preparation of haloalkane and the mechanism involved in the preparation of Grignard reagent. Now before we begin with the preparation, a very important feature, as we have previously done, that haloalkane when made to react with sodium in presence of ether, it results in formation of alkane with twice the number of carbon, reaction termed as Wood's reaction. Similarly, haloalkane when made to react with zinc metal, it results in formation of alkane with twice the number of carbon, and reaction is termed as Frankland reaction. Same was expected using the magnesium metal. The expectation was when haloalkane is made to react with magnesium in presence of ether, the expectation was the alkane. The expectation was alkane, but the fact is the alkane was not obtained. So haloalkane when made to react with sodium, it gives alkane with twice the number of carbon. Haloalkane when made to react with zinc, it gives alkane with twice the number of carbon. But haloalkane when made to react with magnesium, it do not give alkane at all. In fact, it is observed that haloalkane Rx, where R can be any alkyl, X can be any halo, any haloalkane when made to react with magnesium metal in presence of ether, especially diethyl ether, this magnesium comes in between to give RMgX. This Mg comes in between to give RMgX, that is alkyl magnesium halide. This alkyl magnesium halide is termed as Grignard reagent. So haloalkane on reaction with magnesium in presence of ether results in formation of Grignard reagent. Now this R could either be methyl, it could either be ethyl, it could either be propyl, so on. This halo could either be chloro, it could be bromo, so on. Now in this molecule, this is the organic part. The R, alkyl, is the organic part. Mg is the metallic part. So this compound is having organic part, also having the metallic part. Therefore together it is termed as organometallic compound. So Grignard reagent is termed as organometallic compound, having organic part, having metallic part. Therefore it is termed as organometallic compound. Termed as organometallic compound. So I said haloalkane when made to react with magnesium in presence of ether, it gives RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide, which is termed as Grignard reagent. Let's discuss the mechanism of formation of Grignard reagent. The mechanism involved in formation of Grignard reagent. Now remember that Grignard reagent is formed following the free radical mechanism. Grignard reagent is formed following the free radical mechanism. There are 3 steps involved. First step, second step, third step. First step, second step, third step. What happens in first step? So in the first step, the bond between alkyl and halo undergo homolytic cleavage. The bond between alkyl and halo undergo homolytic cleavage. Now this magnesium have 2 electrons in its outermost orbit. It is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2, 2 electron in the outermost orbit, of which 1 electron goes to halo. converting it into halide. So this magnesium lose one electron, converts into positive charge. Halo gains one electron, converts into negative charge halide, and this R converts into R with a single electron, that is free radical. So this alkyl converts into alkyl free radical. This R converts into R with a single electron, that is alkyl free radical. Magnesium metal converts into magnesium cation by loss of one electron, and this halo converts into halide ion by gaining one electron. So R converts into free radical, magnesium converts into cation, halogen converts into anion. Now in the second step, the leftover single electron in the outermost orbit of the magnesium combines with the single electron of R to form a covalent bond. This one single electron of magnesium, it was 3s2, lost one, still one electron is left over. So this one electron of magnesium combines with this single electron of alkyl to form a covalent bond, forming R single bond Mg. This is called as carbocation. So R Mg plus would be formed. Then in the third step, which is the final step, this Rmg1 plus will be attacked by the halide ion. Rmg1 plus formed in step number 2 would be attacked by halide. This is positive, this is negative, so it results in formation of RMgX, in which there is a covalent bond between R and Mg, and whereas between Mg and X there is ionic kind of bond. Mg is positive, X is negative, so this results in formation of alkyl magnesium halide, which is termed as the Grignard reagent. This is termed as the Grignard reagent.